Okay, so one of the questions we get asked a lot is, how does this work? Or what do you call your machine? Is it a digester? Is it a fermentor? Is it a dehydrator? We get all these questions. Our machine emulates a hot composting environment. So it is aerobic composting. It is not anaerobic. It is not dehydration. It's not pulping anything. It is not chopping, grinding. It is using bacteria with water, heat, and oxygen to decompose the food waste. So it's aerobic composting. And this is how we do it, right? You have this chamber that's going to keep the temperature somewhere around 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 50 degrees Celsius. So it's going to keep it at a temperature that is ideal for these heat-loving bacteria, but it's also going to be hot enough to kill all of the pathogenic bacteria and also kill weed seeds and other seeds, right? So the way we maintain that environment is that we have heating units inside the unit that keep it warm. We have this stirring arm and the blades. The blades do not cut or grind. They're there purely to rotate through and keep the material oxygen rich. We have an air intake here that brings in air into the chamber and it sucks it in here through our filtration system. That keeps airflow moving through the unit to not only help evaporate excess moisture, but it's keeping the oxygen rich inside of there, that then those stirring arms, those blades, they catch the oxygen and keep stirring and keeping it inside of the mixture. Generally, based on your inputs, you're going to put a lot of nitrogen-rich material in here. So you're going to have plenty of fruits and vegetables with nitrogen. Other foods that you'll put in, rice, breads, even cardboard and paper products will add the carbon to the mix. And so you're going to have a bacterial decomposition process going on in here for 24/7. It continually works. It doesn't cycle. You don't put food in and then have to keep it in for a certain amount of time based on a cycle or anything like that. It works continuously. You can feed it continuously, and then when it gets up to its max point, then you'll know when time to take some of the excess out. But the microbes that you put in here are semi-permanent. They're just going to keep going as long as you feed them and take care of them. They're going to keep decomposing and breaking down the food waste. So that's how this works. It's oxygen, it's heat, it's moisture, and it is microbes. With one of those things being absent, our technology does not work. It does not work if you take out the microbes. It does not work if you take out the heat. If you don't have the right amount of moisture, it will not work. And if you don't have oxygen, it's not going to be an aerobic composter.